Trust, confidence, reassurance. You know, those feelings you get when you realize that your life just got a lot easier. Well, yours just did. The Seal of Satisfaction provides you with access to select companies identified in their service categories as certified and truly dedicated to your satisfaction. With so many misleading company rankings, biased reviews, opinions, and claims bombarding consumers, it's difficult to be sure which source of information is reliable. Consumers need and deserve to know with certainty that there is a thorough and stringent process that identifies which companies they truly can call with confidence. The Seal of Satisfaction is that trusted consumer resource. It all begins with consumers awarding excellence. After experiencing the highest level of service from a company, consumers will then nominate that business for the Seal of Satisfaction, allowing them to be considered for this top honor. An independent research firm evaluates each nominee. After meeting stringent criteria, the business is interviewed by Services Select. Only after meeting the highest standards are top businesses in their field selected as Seal of Satisfaction recipients. It's my pleasure to present your Seal of Satisfaction Certified Award recipient company. Call with confidence.